Okay, let's go on to step 2 of our program of the 7 easy steps. Step 2 is about history taking. So I have divided it into different systems, history taking. So cardio, respiratory, abdomen, nervous system, joint, OBGYN, HENT, and pediatrics. So here you will only see lecture videos, okay? And each of these videos are about 12 to 13 minutes or so it doesn't take much of your time. But it not only just gives you the set of questions, but also walks you through how the process of thinking should go as you ask history. Each question gives you an insight into what is the case about and what it is not. So it helps you through the thinking process, okay? So this is abdomen. For example, this is a slide from the abdominal history taking, okay? So you see, it's just not going through just Licora and the usual stuff, but helps you to find out what the diagnosis is going to be based on your answers, okay? This is a slide from joint history. Helps you to rule out different possibilities, different differential diagnosis, and walks you through the process of sieving through the differential diagnosis to pick your final 3 diagnoses. Okay, so there we go. We have all the history taking, including pediatrics.